Hey Big Head Homestead fam, I'm going to harvest these 3 sweet potato containers here. I still have this raised bed. I'll do that in the next video. It's been about 180 days. All right, let's get to it. With the harvest I got the other day. So you can cook them right away or you can cure them for 7 to 14 days. Humidity should be around 80%. The back patio can work, maybe the garage, but you want to let them cure and they'll get sweeter. But they're fine to use right away also. They're not going to be as sweet, but I'm going to be adding a little sugar in what I'm cooking today. It's the harvest for today. If you're not going to use these right away and you're going to cure them, you won't do this step. You'll leave the dirt on there. I'm going to cook these today, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse them off. And these look bad, so I'm not going to use these. I'll use these here. These look funny. Look at that. Got rotted out. This is what I'm going to cook today along with the other ones I harvested last week. Okay, and I want to show you the difference between cured and non-cured. These are the ones I just pulled up. And see these little scrapes? It's easily scraped because they're really soft. These have been curing for a week so far, and see how the color's darker? The color's darker and they started to heal over. And see, that was a scratch there, but it's starting to heal over. So these are the ones that I started curing already. It's been a week. I would normally do 2 weeks. And these are the ones freshly dug. So curing, what it does is it hardens and heals over, and it adds more sweetener. They get sweeter. Curing also lets you store them. Like I stored mine last year almost a year. I completely ate all of them except a few that had sprouted, and that's what I used for my slips this year. I used those to grow my slips. So they store it well. I don't have a root cellar. I just have a pantry, and I have a video on how I did it. I just took a basket and a tablecloth and I layered the potatoes in between the tablecloth in the basket and kept them in the pantry, so that way when the light came on, it still was dark, it still was able to breathe, and they lasted pretty well. I'm gonna cook these today. Here's another look at the cured and uncured. See how this one's healing over and this one isn't. And then here's another one I just picked today. See how it's scraped up? And here's another one. It was scraped up, but it already started to cure. And I'll show you what I make with them. We hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching. Till the next time. Bye.